everyone, welcome to Amuna Foods. Today we are going to make sesame snacks. The ingredients are sesame, sugar and salt. We have reached a stage where we are going to now do our sesame snaps. So I'll put the saucepan to heat up. I'm just going to add the sugar to caramelize. Can you see? This stage is very crucial. You have to be very ready. Don't let caramel burn. I've lowered the fire so that it doesn't. Grease the tray a little bit with oil. I'm going to leave it a little bit because I like eating it like that. Mix it quickly. Ooh, sorry about that. I should have used the wood. This one, please, this is not for children. It's very hot. Children should not try to make this because caramel is too hot. Okay, now put it here because it dries up fast, guys. So that's why you have to be fast. Okay, it dries up very quickly. That's why you really have to be prepared. You need to cut before it hardens. I'm just going to do it quickly like that. Yeah, we made it. We got it. Oh my goodness. It's done. It's done. You see? There's a little bit of salt in it and a bit of sugar. Lovely. See? It's so here you have it, guys. Sesame snaps. You can enjoy it with your tea, with your coffee, with your cold drink. It's lovely. I'm telling you now, it tastes so good. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, share, comment, and make sure that you turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss out on any new video that we post. Thank you so much. God bless. See you next Sunday. Bye-bye.